Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad dressing with olive oil. Start with the foundational 3-to-1 ratio of olive oil to acid. For example, use 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and 1 tablespoon of your favorite vinegar, like red wine or apple cider. Whisk these together vigorously. A small amount of Dijon mustard, about 1/2 teaspoon, helps to emulsify the dressing, creating a smooth, creamy texture. Finish with a pinch of salt and a few grinds of black pepper for perfect seasoning. Once you master the basic vinaigrette, the possibilities for flavor are endless. Try infusing your olive oil with fresh herbs like finely chopped basil or oregano for about 30 minutes before mixing. Minced garlic or shallots can add a wonderful aromatic layer. Don't be afraid to swap out vinegars. Balsamic offers a sweeter, richer profile, while lemon juice provides a zesty kick. A 1/4 teaspoon of citrus zest can also brighten the entire dressing. Achieving a stable emulsion is key to a smooth, well-combined dressing. The most common method involves slowly drizzling the olive oil into your acid mixture while whisking continuously and vigorously. For a more robust and quicker emulsion, a blender or food processor works wonders. Just combine all ingredients except the oil, then slowly add the oil through the top opening. Remember, a small amount of Dijon mustard, about 1/2 teaspoon, significantly aids in keeping the dressing from separating. Proper storage ensures your homemade dressing stays fresh and delicious. Keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Before serving, let it sit at room temperature for about 15 minutes, as olive oil can solidify when cold. Always give it a good whisk or shake to re-emulsify any separated ingredients. For the best salad experience, dress your greens just before serving to maintain their crispness and prevent them from becoming soggy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.